What's the meaning of acquaintance? Acquaintance. 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 Acquaintance refers to a person whom one knows slightly, but not intimately. It can also refer to the state of being familiar or knowledgeable about something or someone. For example, you might have an acquaintance at work who you chat with occasionally, but you don't know them very well. Similarly, you might have some acquaintance with a particular topic or subject, but not be an expert in it. Acquaintance is a relatively shallow level of familiarity or knowledge that falls somewhere between complete stranger and close friend or expert.